Hello friends, welcome back once again on the official YouTube channel of Setindiabiz. We are back with another informative video on a crucial topic dedicated to food business operators, that is food state FSSAI license. In this video, we'll cover: what is a state FSSAI food license? Importance of a state FSSAI food license. Benefits of a state FSSAI food license. Eligibility for obtaining a state FSSAI food license. Documents required for obtaining a FSSAI food state license. So, without any further ado, let's get started. Whether you're running a small food business or managing a mid-sized food outlet, having a state FSSAI license is essential for you along with ensuring food safety. This license also helps build trust among your customers. However, if you are a petty food business operator and where the turnover is less than 12 lakhs, you only need FSSAI registration. But what exactly is it, and why does it matter? Let's dive deeper and try to find out answers to such common questions. What is FSSAI state license? FSSAI, or Food Safety and Standards Authority of India, is a regulatory body instituted to safeguard public health and ensure the quality of food products across India. It is responsible for setting standards, regulating food products, and issuing licenses to food businesses, and hence ensuring compliance with stringent safety and quality norms. It issues different types of licenses for the food businesses in India, based on their nature and scale. State FSSAI food license is one of them. The state FSSAI license is specifically for medium-sized food businesses operating within a state's boundary. As an FBO, if your annual turnover falls between 12 lakhs and 20 crores, you're eligible for this license. It applies to food units like small manufacturers, storage facilities providers, distributors, and retailers. Importance of a food FSSAI license. An FSSAI license isn't just a legal requirement, it's a symbol of trust. It ensures that your business complies with food safety standards, which minimizes health risks for customers. Moreover, it establishes your credibility, making it easier to build a loyal customer base and expand your operations. Benefits of a state FSSAI license. There are numerous benefits that you can reap by obtaining a FSSAI food state license. Here are the key benefits of having a state FSSAI license. Number 1. Legal compliance. It protects your business from penalties or legal action. Number 2. Brand trust. Customers are more likely to trust businesses with an FSSAI license. Number 3. Market expansion. It enables food businesses to supply products to government institutions, schools, hospitals, and so on. Number 4. Improved food quality. Regular inspections help maintain high food safety standards. Number 5. Access to information. It helps gain access to valuable information and resources on food safety and quality. Number 6. Reduced risk. By complying with strict FSSAI standards, food businesses can reduce the risk of food safety issues and protect their customers. Eligibility for obtaining a state FSSAI license. To qualify for a state FSSAI license, your food business must meet these criteria. First, an annual turnover between 12 lakhs and 20 crores. Second, operates within a single state. Third, types of businesses include small manufacturers, warehouses, and distributors. Important note: if the annual turnover of your food business exceeds 20 crores, then you need to obtain a central FSSAI license to run it smoothly and avoid any penalty posed by FSSAI. Documents required for obtaining an FSSAI state license. Before applying for the state FSSAI license, make sure you have the following documents ready. Number 1. Duly filled and signed form. Number 2. Blueprint or map layout of location where the business is being operated from. Number 3. Name and contact information of directors. Number 4. List of each equipment and machinery installed and operating in the unit. Number 5. List of food category to be manufactured. Number 6. Identity and address proof of proprietor issued by government. Number 7. Passport size photograph. Number 8. Complete details of the food to be manufactured. Number 9. Letter of authorization including name and address of the responsible person. Number 10. Address proof of premise such as electricity bill or registry if property is owned. Number 11. Rent agreement or no objection certificate, NOC, from the owner of the premises. Number 12. License copy and no objection certificate from the manufacturer. Number 13. Certificate of plan relating to the food safety management system. These documents are essential for a smooth application process, so preparing them beforehand can be useful in obtaining a FSSAI license smoothly and quickly. Obtaining a state FSSAI license is a vital step in running a successful food business. It not only ensures compliance but also builds trust and credibility among your customers, helping your business thrive well in today's competitive market. So, if you're in the food business, don't wait. Get your FSSAI license today and secure your path to success. Need help with your FSSAI license or have any related query? Contact Setindiabiz today for expert assistance. Thank you for watching till the end. We hope this video has provided value to you. If you found this video helpful, do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such informative content. See you next time.